I'm testing the sound difference between my reissue 65 Twin Reverb and my custom 5F1, which I've put a tone stack in, the Twin Reverb's tone stack. I've also put a Marshall JTM45 tone stack in it. And I wanted to see how close this amp sounds to the real Twin Reverb. So I built this pedal, and what this pedal does is it swaps I basically plug my guitar into it and then the speakers from both amps, and it makes it so my guitar will go from one amp to the other, but while using the same speaker. So when I swap it, it's using the same speaker in this cabinet, and it's just swapping from one amp to the other, so that I don't have the speaker change. The thing is, if you use a speaker in a different cabinet, it's going to change the tone. So, and then there's a dummy speaker, so I'm not leaving it without a load when I'm swapping from one amp to the other. But anyways, I've got the setup now, and let's hear the difference, okay? I'm just gonna set this on my amp. Okay, right now that's the Twin Reverb. Now I'm gonna switch it to my 5F1. Okay, that's the 5F1. Now my Twin Reverb. Back to the 5F1. Okay, back to the 5F1 again. Basically, I'm going to play one riff on the 5F1 and then go to the Twin Reverb. Let's play a different riff on the 5F1. Okay, back to the 5F1. I'm flipping that switch just to make sure it's on the right amp. This is the one I built, the 5F1. Okay, back to the... No, we'll keep it on the Twin Reverb. I'll go from the Twin Reverb to the 5F1 now. Alright, I'm back on the Twin Reverb. What else should I play? I don't know. Honestly, I think one's maybe a little bit louder than the other, but I think, to me, the tones sound very similar, if not the same. Anyways, that's the test. Tell me what you guys think.